Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to offer buy one get one free on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first you can head over to your discount section and here click on add a discount. So this section is basically dedicated to providing discounts, coupons and that type of promotional activities onto your store. Click on add discount. You will be able to see that buy X and get Y. So this is the buy one get one free type of discount that you can add. You can generate a random code using this AI based random code generator. You can see it is now generated. You can add details like, for example, if a customer purchases let's just say I want to add a specific product. I'm going to choose, let's say, this mouse, and then they're going to get a specific product, like for example they're going to get maybe this keyboard as well. Or you got the point, right? So that's how you can easily add buy one get one free type of discount code. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.